Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video from Crypto Basics. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to download Zerion Wallet application for your Android device. Downloading Zerion Wallet application for your Android is pretty simple. Simply go ahead and open your Play Store. In the search box, type in Zerion Wallet and search. Doing this will make a search for the Zerion Crypto DeFi Wallet from Zerion Inc. Go ahead and tap the install button to begin the download for the application. Wait until the application is downloaded and installed on your Android device, and you'll be able to operate the application just fine. Soon after the application is downloaded and installed, you'll need to tap on the open button to open the app on your Android. So that's all for today. That is how you can easily get the Zerion Wallet application downloaded for Android device. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.